it's me, Stella the Tripletarian. Today, I'm going to be trying Morning Star's vegan corn dogs. And so, we bought them at Walmart. And I hope they taste like the normal corn dogs like at the fair. So I'm going to try this one. It actually really tastes like a corn dog. Like an actual corn dog. I can't believe it. This actually tastes like a corn dog. Okay, so this is the meat. I wonder if they'll make vegan hot dogs. This really tastes like a hot dog. I mean a corn dog. What the heck? I recommend it. It's actually good. Well, make sure to like my video. Bye bye.